Hi everyone, just doing an update on groceries, what's in my fridge for the stay-at-home lockdown we're all in right now. So as you could see, I'm going to link the other video I did a few days ago or last week, I guess, down in the description for you or in the comments for you, so you could compare and see basically in a week what else we've gotten. And also I'm going to link the video where I show you on a regular day what's in my fridge before all this stay home lockdown happened. So yeah, so basically the same. We have a little more stuff, you know, some yogurts, some vegan yogurts, cholazad, guacamole, just vegan eggs, rice dream, rice milk, flax milk, really good. So we have some gnocchi, ravioli, blueberries, this cheese, laughing cow, some creamed spinach, and we also have some of these just because they're cheap and easy to make, you know, this Pillsbury croissants or what do you call it, biscuits. So we have some of that. We got this vegan cheesecake. I'm gonna make another video when I open this and try this. So vegan cheesecake, Persian bread, lavash, Persian bread, another Persian dish, salad olivier, which is basically potato salad. Yeah, and pickles and carrots and green peas, really good. So we have this. I made a video showing you this and how to make it. And then we have some juices here, pomegranate, grapefruit. Yeah, so we got some cheese, pickles, shredded cheese that went on the pizza when we made pizza, some sauces, pizza sauce, you know, applesauce, grape jam, some drinks, lemon ginger cayenne, very good and healthy for you. And if you have a cold or something happening, these are really great, you guys. Really great for your immune. It really helps. Okay, so that's that. And some more milk, juice, husband's cola. Yeah, and some sauces, ranch. This is really good, you guys. This ranch was really good, organic ranch. And this is really good too. It's like pear vinaigrette. It's kind of sweet. It almost tastes like apple pie, you guys. You know? But it's really delicious. It makes things taste really good. So that's basically what we have right now happening. And my freezer, it hasn't changed because we have these frozen things here that I still haven't made. Ice cream. Got another ice cream. And, you know, the berries, which you saw last time in the video. Broccoli and okra. And that's what we have. And we just got this too. So yeah, it's veggie patties. And that's what's happening here. So that's our shopping for this week, I guess you would say. Okay, you guys. Oh, and the lettuce in there. I forgot the lettuce. And I'm not sure what my husband has in here, but okay, you guys. Stay safe, everyone. Stay well. I'll see you guys next time. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video if you like it. And check out the last video that I did, what's in my fridge. I will link those down in the description or comments. Okay, guys. See you guys next time. Bye.